You've seen them. The videos with flashy titles promising you can make hundreds of dollars an hour just by watching YouTube Shorts. Most of us waste hours scrolling, but a select few are supposedly turning that screen time into a steady income. And you've probably wondered, is any of that real? Can you actually get paid for something you're already doing for free? Well, I decided to put those claims to the test. For one full week, I dove headfirst into the world of get-paid-to-watch apps and websites that are all over the internet. I signed up, I watched, I clicked, and I tracked every single penny. And let me tell you, the results were not what those gurus promised. In this video, I'm going to show you the few cents I made from those apps. Then I'll reveal the method that can earn you a significant side income from YouTube Shorts in 2025. Stick around, because the truth is much more interesting and profitable than the fantasy. Let's be honest. Pick up your phone and check your screen time. How many hours did you spend on YouTube this week? 1, 3, 5? For a lot of us, it's a number we'd rather not admit. We open the app and suddenly an hour has vanished into a blur of 60-second clips. It's entertaining, sure, but at the end of the day, it often comes with this nagging feeling of guilt, a sense that you could have spent that time on something more productive. That feeling is exactly why the promise of making money by watching videos is so powerful. It offers a guilt-free pass for our scrolling habits. It turns a bad habit into a side hustle. The idea is intoxicating. What if every minute you spent watching shorts was actually putting money back in your pocket? What if you could turn your downtime into income time without changing a thing? This is the dream they're selling, a dream of effortless income, of getting paid to do nothing. It sounds way too good to be true, and as I found out, it absolutely is. So, my investigation began. I scoured the internet for the most recommended platforms promising cash for watching videos. Names like Swagbucks and Inbox Dollars kept popping up, all with glowing testimonials and screenshots of PayPal balances. I picked 3 of the most popular ones and committed to using them for a full week. The first platform was a classic. The idea was simple. Watch playlists of short videos, which were mostly just ads, and earn points. I signed up and started a playlist and let it run and run and run. The videos were short, but the points were adding up at a snail's pace. After what felt like an eternity of mind-numbing ad watching, I checked my balance. I'd earned the equivalent of 35 cents, not exactly life-changing. The second app was a microtask site where watching videos is just one of many ways to earn. I went to the video section where the task was to watch a 30-second video, then answer a simple question. It was a little more engaging, but the payout was even smaller. Fractions of a cent per video. I spent another hour on this, feeling more like a robot than someone on the path to financial freedom. My grand total after that hour? Another 20 cents. The final platform was a crypto-based rewards app. Watch this, get a few tokens. Watch that, get a few more. After converting the tokens to actual dollars, I saw that I'd spent nearly 90 minutes earning about 42 cents. So, after 7 days of this lucrative side hustle, what was my grand total? I tallied up all the points and tokens from all 3 platforms. For a week's worth of effort, I had made a staggering $4.12. That's not a side hustle, that's a bad joke. It became painfully clear you're not getting paid to watch are the product. Your attention is the commodity, and it's being sold to advertisers for the lowest price imaginable. Here's the hard truth. You will never, ever get rich from apps that pay you to watch videos. It's a business model built on a lie. The lie is that your time is valuable to them. The truth is, your time is only valuable in tiny, aggregated fractions. They need millions of people watching millions of ads to make their business work, and they pay you just enough to keep you clicking, but never enough to make a real difference in your life. It's a dead end. So, what do? Give up and accept that our time on shorts is destined to be wasted? Absolutely not. This is the pivot. This is where we stop thinking like a consumer and start thinking like a creator. The real money isn't in YouTube Shorts, It's in the billions of views that flow through the Shorts feed every single day. Instead of being the person paid a fraction of a penny to watch an ad, you need to become the person whose content the ads are playing on. The opportunity isn't in passive consumption, it's in active creation. Forget the pennies, let's talk about real sustainable income. In 2025, YouTube has fully integrated Shorts into its partner program, creating a clear path for creators to earn serious money. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme, it's a business model, and the barrier to entry is lower than you might think. First, you need to understand the new rules for monetization. There are now 2 tiers to get into the YouTube Partner Program. Tier 1 is for early access. This requires 500 subscribers, 3 public uploads in the last 90 days, and either 3 million Shorts views in the last 90 days, or 3,000 watch hours on long-form videos. Hitting this milestone doesn't unlock ad revenue, but it unlocks fan funding. This means your audience can support you directly through super thanks, super stickers, and channel memberships. Someone sending you a $5 super thanks on a short you made would be more than I made in my entire week of watching videos. Tier 2 is for full monetization. This is the main goal. It requires 1,000 subscribers and 10 million Shorts views in the last 90 days, or 4,000 watch hours on long-form videos. Once you hit this, you unlock ad revenue sharing. YouTube pools all the money from ads shown in the Shorts feed and gives creators 45% of the revenue allocated to their videos. That 45% of 10, 20, or even 100 million views can translate into thousands of dollars a month. So, how do you get those views? You don't need a fancy camera or a Hollywood studio. You just need a smartphone and a good idea. The key is creating faceless content in a high virality niche. Think about channels that post satisfying cleaning videos, incredible nature clips, or simple cooking tutorials. These videos get millions of views and you never even see the creator's face. Your blueprint for a viral short is simple. First, find a niche. Pick a topic you're interested in that has a proven audience. Next, hook them fast. The first 2 seconds are everything. Grab their attention immediately, or they'll just scroll away. Then use trending sounds and formats. The Shorts algorithm often rewards creators who tap into what's popular right now. After that, provide value or emotion. Your short should teach something, show something amazing, make someone laugh, or be incredibly satisfying. And finally, be consistent. Aim to post at least 1 short per day. More posts mean more chances for the algorithm to pick one up and make it go viral. This is the real game, not chasing pennies, but building an asset that generates views and income while you sleep. Hitting 10 million views and unlocking ad revenue is just the beginning. The truly successful Shorts creators in 2025 are building diversified income empires, and you can too. The number 1 method is affiliate marketing. This is honestly a game changer. While it's technically possible to start with very few subscribers, your earnings will really depend on your reach. Here's how it works. You find a product you like and sign up for that company's affiliate program. They give you a special link. You then create a short showcasing that product. For example, a 30-second clip on the coolest kitchen gadget I found on Amazon. You can't put clickable links on the video itself, but you can put the link in your pinned comment or description and use on-screen text to tell people where to find it. When someone watches your short, clicks that link, and buys the product, you earn a commission. One viral short promoting a $50 product could earn you thousands, dwarfing any potential ad revenue. Next up, YouTube shopping and brand deals. Once you're in the YPP, you can tag products directly in your shorts. As your channel grows, brands will start to notice. They'll pay you directly to create a short featuring their product, often for far more than you'd make from ad revenue on that same video. Finally, think of your shorts as the top of a funnel. Use your viral shorts to drive traffic to your long-form videos, where ad revenue is higher. Use them to build an email list. Use them to sell your own digital products. Each short is a billboard for your brand, While everyone else is just watching the billboards, you can be the one who owns them. So, while you can make a few dollars watching videos if you have endless hours to kill, the real opportunity in 2025 is to stop being a passive consumer and start being a creator. The system is built to reward those who add value, not those who simply watch. The path is clear. Create engaging content, build an audience, and diversify your income. Stop scrolling for pennies and start creating for dollars. The dream of making money online is real, but it's not found in the places promising easy money. Easy money is almost always a myth. The real opportunity lies in smart work, consistency, and giving an audience something of value. Every hour you spend scrolling through YouTube Shorts is an hour you could be using to build your own channel, create your own content, and design your own future. The tools are free, the platform is waiting, and the audience is there. The only question is, will you keep watching or will you start creating? The choice is yours.